Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 8, Basic Level. Question number 8. A house costs 36% more today than when it was built. If the cost of the house today is $333,200, find its cost when it was built. First, write the given condition in equation form, that is, 136% of cost equals to $333,200. We have written 136% instead of 36% because the initial cost of the house when it was built was 100%, that is increased today by 36%, and became 136%. Now we will find 1% of cost by using the given percentage, so divide whole equation by 136. So we have 1% of cost equals to 333,200 upon 136. Now we have 1% of the cost, that is 333,200 upon 136, so in order to calculate the 100% of the cost we have to multiply both sides by 100. Then simplify the fraction as shown in the steps. After simplification we have 245,000, therefore, the cost of house when it was built was $245,000. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.